Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Slack error code 11. This error usually happens because of connection problems, corrupted cache, outdated app files, or temporary authentication issues. First, restart Slack in your computer. This refreshes the app and clears temporary glitches that might be causing the error. Next, check your internet connection, open any browser, search for a speed test, and make sure your connection is stable and working properly. Unstable internet can interrupt Slack services. After that, clear the Slack cache or browser cache, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, then select Cookies, Cached Images, and Site Data before clicking Delete Data. If you are using the Slack desktop app, clear the app cache and reopen Slack. Now sign out of Slack and sign back into your workspace. This refreshes your authentication session and can fix temporary login or connection issues. Also, make sure Slack is updated to the latest version because older versions may contain bugs or compatibility issues. After that, disable any VPN or proxy you are using, since VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Slack connections and authentication requests. Finally, if the issue still continues, completely reinstall Slack, remove the app, restart your computer, and install the latest version again. In most cases, the issue is fixed after refreshing the session, clearing cache, or reinstalling Slack. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Slack error code 11 by restarting Slack, checking the internet connection, clearing cache, and signing back in, updating Slack, disabling VPN or proxy, and reinstalling the app can also help resolve the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.